Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade mayonnaise, sweet and sour and ketchup. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. So the first sauce, I'm going to show you how to make mayonnaise. In a medium large bowl, you're going to add 1 3/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of mustard sauce, and 2 medium eggs. Then take your hand mixer or you can use a blender and blend for approximately 1 minute till everything is nicely blended. Then take a spoon and mix everything so that all the ingredients can nicely combine. Then put in a glass container and place it in the fridge. It can last for approximately 6 months. And our tasty mayonnaise is ready. As you can see in the video, you can eat with some fries or anything that you like and enjoy your mayonnaise. The second sauce, we're going to make sweet and sour sauce. In a medium large pan, you're going to add a half a cup of water, which is approximately to 125 milliliter, a third cup of vinegar, which is approximately to 80 milliliter, a quarter cup of sugar, which is approximately to 60 milliliter, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and lastly 1 tablespoon of garlic. And mix everything well and let it to cook on a medium heat. Meanwhile, in a small bowl, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of cornflour and 4 tablespoons of water and mix everything well till it becomes a bit light like this. Once the sauce starts to boil like this, then pour the mixture of the cornflour into the sauce and cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes till the sauce becomes thick. Once the sweet and sour becomes thick like this, then your sweet and sour sauce is ready and remove it from the fire. Pour in a glass container and let it to cool down before putting it in the fridge. And my sweet and sour sauce is ready. As you can see in the video, you can eat with some fries, potatoes, or anything that you like and enjoy your sweet and sour sauce. And our last sauce is going to be homemade ketchup. In a large pot, you're going to add 100 grams of sugar, a half a cup of water, 400 grams of tomato. I've used the ones in can or you can use the normal ones and cut them into small pieces, 1 chopped red bell pepper and 1 slice of onion, and mix everything well and cover to let it cook on a medium heat. Once it starts to cook like this, then you're going to add 90 grams of tomato paste and mix everything well, then cover once more and let it to cook on a medium heat slowly by slowly. After 30 minutes, your tomatoes should be soft like this. Then you're going to add a third cup of apple vinegar, or you can use any vinegar that you have, and 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and mix everything well and let it to cook for approximately 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, remove the tomato sauce from the fire and let it to cool down a bit. Then afterwards, pour in a blender and blend for approximately 1 to 2 minutes till everything is nicely blended. Once everything is nicely blended like this, pour back in the same pot and let it to cook on a medium-low heat. Meanwhile, in a small bowl, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of cornflour and 4 tablespoons of water and mix everything well till it becomes a bit light like this. Lastly, pour the cornflour mixture into the ketchup and cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes till the ketchup becomes thick. Once your ketchup sauce becomes thick like this, then your ketchup is ready, and remove it from the fire and pour in a glass container and let it to cool down. And my homemade tomato sauce is ready, as you can see in the video. The longer it stays in the fridge, the more thicker and the more tasty it becomes. And my 3 homemade sauce are ready, as you can see in the video: ketchup, mayonnaise and sweet and sour. Place them in a glass container and place them in the fridge, and they can last for approximately 6 months or more. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.